thumbs are not just for scrolling anymore. They are for sourcing, screening, and hiring. If you're a recruiter, you already know this. Hiring doesn't stop just because you step away from your desk. So here's how the Zoho Recruit mobile app fits into your day. When your day is split between calls, emails, and candidates, staying organized shouldn't slow you down. That's where Zia, your built in AI assistant, comes in. Zia works quietly in the background to keep things moving. From reminders and searches to your daily to do list, Zia helps you stay focused on what needs attention without extra effort. Need to open a role quickly? Create a job opening right from the app. You can even generate a job description instantly. And when the resumes come in while you're on the move, you don't have to wait. Scan them, upload them, and create candidate records right away. Once the candidates are in, the question is always the same: who should I look at first? With Zia Matches, you get a quick sense of how well a candidate fits into the role, so your time goes where it exactly matters. Reaching out is just as simple. Send emails using templates you already trust or trigger assessments directly from your phone. And when you need information quickly, you don't have to dig for it. Use Zia Search to find candidates, jobs, or records across modules using natural language. And with Ask Zia, you can ask questions about a specific record and get clear answers instantly. When it's time to follow up, you can act right away. Update a candidate's status or call them in a tab. No switching devices, no mental notes for later. When something needs to happen immediately, you can just do it. Up next is all about scheduling interviews. Interviews usually come with a lot of back and forth: calendars, availability, people to loop in. From within the app, you can manage your calendar, schedule interviews, and assign interviewers, including clients. Once the process starts, interviewers can quickly check a Zia generated profile summary so no one walks into it. Once the interview is done, the feedback doesn't have to wait. All your comments and ratings can be added from within the app. Everything stays in one place. When it's time to move forward, you can submit candidates to hiring managers or clients for approval. Decisions come back faster when the context is already there. Now, with the final candidate lists, you're all ready to roll out offer letters in just a click. Job done. See for yourself how Zoho Recruit's mobile app can make hiring truly a breeze. Download now.